Well, we're standing here right now with Karl DeManss from Panasonic Solutions Company. Standing in front of actually a beautiful screen here, which we're going to take a closer look at in a minute here. Karl, thank you so much for stopping and talking to us a little bit here. You will definitely recognize the name Panasonic from some of their consumer products that have been out in the market for a very, very long time. Very reputable company here. But Panasonic Solutions Company is fundamentally different. Could you tell us a little bit about what you guys do in this space, digital signage and digital out-of-home?
Well, Panasonic actually entered this space to go after the end user, to provide solutions for them. Based on their needs, based on their demand, we'll actually create a solution around the display. So that will include everything from a PC player to the software that drives the content on the PC player to just straight displays as you see here for very verticalized or customized markets. Typically, most small business owners won't want to bring in a 85-inch or 103-inch display, but if you go into larger malls, if you go into some of the higher-end retail outlets for the high-end fashions, they absolutely have a need for these types of displays. So we focus on the needs of the customer, work with them very specifically in defining those needs, and then developing a solution for them, as we do on our 47-inch bundled solution with CoolSign. Here you can buy a 47-inch display, a media player, the software preloaded on there, including the license and the maintenance contract on that software, a mount and cables for the endpoint solution for the customer is one single SKU. We see that as solutions.
That makes a lot of sense, especially for somebody who might be looking at this for a specific deployment, or it might be their first time trying it out. It could be nice to have something all together already so that you can get a comfortable feel for it and then maybe branch out a little bit later. What exactly are we looking at right here? How big is this screen right here?
This is the Panasonic 85-inch plasma TV. It actually comes in two varieties. This one happens to be the 3D version. We also have a standard 2D version, depending on the application. This is actually the little brother to our 103-inch, which again is, maybe 15, 20 inches larger. And then, of course, the big boy of the family is the 152, which is about twice that size.
Which, I mean, it's impressive, and I've seen the other 152-inch screen. It is just absolutely amazing. It's so big, it's so clear, the picture is just, it's unbelievable. Are there any kind of challenges to come with content development for a screen that's this big?
Actually, you would think there would be, but the fundamental answer is no. This is a 1920 by 1080 panel, full 1080p resolution. If you're mastering your content in 1080p, using 1080p cameras and acquisition equipment, it's the same content that you put up there. What we do different is all the processing inside. Little sales pitch for Panasonic here as a total company. We're also a broadcast company. We make cameras, we make switching equipment, we sell it to the NBCs, ABCs of the world, and they demand that kind of quality. That's what we do.
Perfect. Is there anything new you guys are announcing here at the show?
At the show, we're actually talking about the bundles that we described before, our touchscreen solutions, and that's about it for now, but circle back, talk to me around InfoComm, we'll have a little bit more for you.
Well, there we go. That'll be good. We'll look forward to talking with you in Orlando. Thank you so much, Karl. Really appreciate it.
Thank you.